Your Instagram music library might be restricted, but it's easy to fix. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your story in the top left corner. Then tap the music icon at the top. Search for a popular artist, such as Central C. If their songs don't appear, your music library may be restricted. Don't worry, here are a few settings you can check. Turn off Facebook auto sharing. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Tap Connected Experiences. Choose Sharing Across Profiles. If Automatically Share to Facebook is turned on, switch it off. Some music tracks aren't available on Facebook because of licensing restrictions. Turning this off may allow more songs to appear on Instagram. Switch to a personal account. Now go back to the Settings page. Scroll down to your Insights and Tools section. Tap Creator Tools and Controls. Select Switch Account Type. If you're using a business or creator account, switch to a personal account. Personal accounts typically have access to a larger music library. Wait a few moments for the change to take effect. Once the For Professionals section disappears, your account has been switched successfully. Check the music library again. Search for the song or artist you want. You should now see more artists, trending songs, and a larger music library. And that's it.